So very often I've been working on a screen. It's really detailed. I've spent a lot of time on maybe some custom components or some containers and things like that. And I really love it. And I think I want to reuse this again in future. Well, you can do this with copy and paste. You can copy and paste components between apps as long as they are in the same team. Just right-click a component in the layout editor and choose copy to copy that component, or copy all to copy all components on that screen. Then navigate back to your Glide dashboard or to another screen and open the other app where you want to paste it. You can find the screen where you want it, right-click in the components area and paste. The catch with this, though, is that you have to stay in the same browser tab. If you switch between different browser tabs, then the paste doesn't necessarily come across. And also, depending on your target data, you may need to reconfigure some actions or some data bindings depending on the table. But if you have the same table structure in both apps, then this really helps. Many Glide experts actually keep their own sort of template or utility app where when they're working on a particular screen that's in depth or a custom component that they want to reuse later, they copy and paste those into their template app so that next time they're building something that's remotely similar, they can start ahead of the game with something they've already built.